the paddy field? You can observe the paddy field. So paddy is a bisexual crop. That means both male and female gametes will be present in the same flower. So which type of pollination occurs in bisexual plants? Self-pollination. Self-pollination. Now we are at the young stage of the crop, so we can't find the flowers. But same as in male, we find the inflorescence. What it is? Inflorescence. Means group of flowers we will find in the case of rice. Okay, this is the staple food, main staple food of our Telugu states. And Telangana is one of the topmost state producing rice in India. So coming to the plant morphology, it is a monocot plant. Rice is a monocot plant, and you can observe the leaves, they are narrow, and we will get the fibrous root system there. Many thread-like root system. Okay, soon after entering the paddy crop, what did you observe? There is water, right? So paddy will be grown in water stagnant conditions. Why? Can we grow the neem tree, tamarind tree in water soaked, water bagged conditions? No, that is the specific adaptation in rice plant. So what is the basic unit of life? Cell is the basic unit of life. Group of cells are called as tissues. So some special kind of tissues called as parenchyma in the rice plant, they will allow the plant to take the oxygen even in the waterlogged conditions. So all of you note down, students, in from flowering stage. Before flowering stage, we see in paddy the flag leaf, means the leaf which is at the topmost of the plant. It will be hiding the inflorescence in the flag leaf. That means we can't find the inflorescence, but it is hidden inside the flag leaf, the topmost leaf. So that stage is called as a booting stage. Which stage? Booting stage. Booting stage. In booting stage, the inflorescence is hidden inside the flag leaf. And after the booting stage, the next stage is milk stage. Okay, some of you from village background might have observed that in milk stage. Have anyone? Yes. Okay, that is called as milky stage. After milky stage, duff stage. What do you mean by duff stage? When we are making chapatis and all, we will prepare the duff. Yes or no? Even for those. So from milk stage, the next stage is a duff stage. That is the milk in the seeds, in the grains, we get hardened and it forms a duff-like. That means the milk in the grain starts to get hardened. That is the duff stage. So how do you know the paddy crop is ready for harvesting? Is the entire crop will turn into golden color. Okay, the entire crop will turn into golden color. Now nowadays harvesting in paddy crop is mostly done mechanically. Okay, mechanical harvesters of the paddy you might have seen. Okay, and manually they will cut the stems of the paddy. What is the stem of the paddy is called as culm. C-U-L-M. The stem of the paddy is called as culm. Culm. C-U-L-M. The stem of the paddy is called as culm. So the culm is cut from the bottom while harvesting, and we follow the next process is threshing. What do you mean by threshing? By mechanical means, the machine will be separating both the grains and the culm. But manually what we will do, we will harvest the culms and we will beat against the hard surface such that the grains are separated from the culm. And the next step you will be having in your 6th class science, next step after the threshing is winnowing. You might have seen some farmers holding a structure like this, and they will stand against the direction of wind such that the waste materials from the grains will be separated by the wind. That is threshing. After threshing, winnow. After winnowing, what we will get? We will get the grain. So the grain will be wet. So we have to remove the moisture from the grains. The next process followed is sun drying. Okay, the next process followed is sun drying. That means we will dry the grains in the sun, and after that storage of paddy. Okay. So in paddy, why Telangana topped production of paddy is Telangana government is providing the MSP, minimum supporting price. That means after each farmer gets the produce, they should be paid minimum supporting price. That means they will go through the government committees will go through the production scenario, and they will decide how much cost of production for paddy for this year, for the commercial year 25-26. What is the